Boyesa wa dekis. When the police ne protected the 99. Airport police na do ko to ko konya civilian I think it move. So edo dunene do ne sutite ke mu da do dunu bi sapa be luitwe ara bi konto sai mamu ajeni. Ani no ba do dun to no na cheka de ne ko na ena bu no so mera kaisa ni. Kamaro na cheke do bele na bi ko. Do de do dun esi ni ni didini. Ugo elo pe ko kai. O sala ki boye. Ikamunete di police ni na ro potu motukuno. Ikunya inete do kesi na macha tetu ngajono. Potulo ajono mu odede ngata. So ogi udo lo kwa na idu Itunga ke de mudu e civilian I do o de mani ne se police ke lo penyo e mudu ara e lo pe kwa na ngoli no e mudu so ogi udo te do kwa na ke sa kulianari ai konai ai apana shooting Itunga onyo udo te ke Itunga lo pote de Itunga igwa pa ikechi Itunga I lo e kama toske za lo sta ke de igwa pite to no tawu odu udo te na pe do lete mama ne kunya Itunga I was just standing. So me egeta in normal berele bako jigo tena okoti police ni goraka ena bakara kwana iria be police ni golai yoma so ogi une teke sai kwa ikine ai normal ngai ponye luchenu ai normal life bullets ona cheka ngoli no mi tako esa like that is city do be do pesa that is city to na Kenya
go welcome to Luko. Ora tu pelo sonho ua pa inisi. I ai be ngare sapa. Ora to bro so por so Katakwi. Boy tu sa ne tu ko stonga jegne sara disi. Ora radisi ona pe ngota ma adi puta radisi. Doko ara di sala martama no metengo aje mo pigi. Se no metera anche. No mi tarasa stoma.
One minute sit here. Initially in Olupe, as in Katakwi. Oh, there is a land dispute between a man, one called a man and others, and of which that land dispute ended up in court. Now, but as the case was in court, what happened was that some people organized and destroyed the property of a man. Now, a man came to the police and opened up his cases, ranging from assault, and malicious damage. So, but some leaders were resisting. They didn't want police to effect arrest therein. Of recent, the region took over, went and arrested some 3 suspects. Brought in, wananchi mobilized again from Olupe, and they came in with pangas, sticks, and other weapons, and they attempted to attack the police, and the police repulsed them. This was yesterday but one. Unfortunately enough, 5 people were injured, and one of them is Omodo Richard, Malinga Joseph, Moru Sam, Oboy Sam, and Ojirot Joseph. And one of them is in the hospital here in the main hospital here in Soroti. The investigation have commenced. Of course, the files will be taken to RSK for advice. Today, I think we already arrested one person today. The chairman, LC3 from Olupe. He's one of those ones who participated in cases of assault, arson, and malicious damage.
Luchu otomo kisila lu ajini ngobon bari yara de dengu yaware rayo se buni mame beta idu Itunga kwa en ara ti gas ara maidu kuju tetere tungi shara rus konya mera idu Itunga kwa kwana yanyo sapata no mita moita ka kini yanyo ruchengula bilbil ta kini so iyelo no mita ku de o mamere yo mamere iborna jokan ko ti police kesile mabasi bit nyesti ngoy ti kisili kana kan e ko so yente kisili e so mai la jokan konya mera idu Itunga kwa ne people le rona depan